Look at that. Isn't that a work of art? Show off and pop glass. Look at that. Ooh. Is this? Mm-hmm. That's right?
Yeah.
Look at that. Ackee and saltfish, dumpling, yam, and that's it. Welcome to today's video. What I'm gonna be making is Jamaican's national dish. Ackee and saltfish. Some yam, some taro, we call that sheen, some dumplings. Add some yam, but boy, the yam not good at all. Some saltfish and soak there. As you can see, skip all the hard part, you know. Good part with the right now, so sink. Whoa. Put everything on this side now. Let's see how it work. Yeah. Dough. Taro, saltfish. Saltfish go right over there. That should go right, that's it. Put the water to boil. Okay, that's good enough. That's almost good enough. Crank that up a little bit more. Let's get cooking some Jamaican national dish. My first time trying this kind of ackee. Let's see how that goes. So that's it. First thing first, put that over there. So I'm gonna boil the saltfish. Water is bubbling. Alright, that's good. Picking them 4 look up side, I don't even know them what it is because the yam look so tired. I don't know where that come from, but boy tired. Remember the procedure I put food in a pot, you know. I know you put in some before fun, but guess what? Everything I go in the same time. Roll up some dumpling. And listen, if you can't make dumpling more than me, don't judge me. Cook dumpling, man. Only thing missing right now is some avocado, but guess what? The other day I go into the store and I find DNG soda. Yo, DNG soda from me a little beauty, you know. Me no see them thing there, you know. I drink one of them things there, you know. Matter of fact, I don't really drink acid drinks, so I don't really drink soda. But me I tell you, say, yo, everybody from the 90s come back. We even say 80s. But now my time has grown. I can't talk about my time. I look up and get a DNG soda first time, and I cash up peanut. I tell you, say, man, Christmas come. We feel nice. But I tell some pastor say some soda in the store, man, and I say I couldn't pass them. I go and take up a champagne soda. Champagne soda nice, no. If you know about the DNG soda, I want to tell me, comment down below and tell me which flavor is your favorite one, not DNG soda. You know you have pineapple, champagne, grape, cream soda, and what else? What else me have for? Them are the 4 major ones. I don't know how I go feel about this today, but I'm happy today. When I was young, I love Ackee, man. Love Ackee. Ackee and also fried up chicken back and Ackee. Sweet, you know. Man, Ackee and all corn pork. Corn pork is my favorite thing, man. After every food, corn pork is my number one. Yeah, man, if I corn pork, I invite me, man. If you have no corn pork, I cook them things there. Don't invite me. If I cook corn pork, you call me. Time I there Jamaica, I first thing that I have to cook, you know, man. Corn pork, you know. Anyway, then, man, I have to find King, because King have a good corn pork, you know, man. I have to find a virgin done named King, you know. Then, man, if I him see me, you know, say, yo, you want corn pork, you know, I don't have money for me, I say, yo, come for corn pork. All the foods are in the pot now. Saltfish is boiling. But I come for me, I'm a small dumpling, you know, because, ooh. Then I them big old dumpling there. Not too like them. big dumpling of man who work hard a bush. Dep on your farm work, you need some big cornmeal dumplings. Yeah, sit down, you don't need them big old dumplings. Just half mask the lid. Turn the stove down. And let the magic happen, right? That is how we do it. Really hard man style. I'm not even too sure how long I should boil this saltfish for. Because I'm not sure salt. That's good to me. That's good to me. I'm gonna take it out and wash it off in some cold water again. Break it into small pieces. But me, cooking ackee. For me, if you don't boil that in the saltfish water, that now will taste good. Turn the stove down. The ackee sees that they're cooked already. So, what am I gonna do? So we're just re-eating them, right? Adding a little flavor from the saltfish inside of it. Right? Just gonna boil it for like 3-4 minutes. And then it up a little bit more. And that looks like it's hot actually. Put the lid over there. So. Looks like it's hot. So, to ensure nothing goes wrong and I'm on the safe side, I'm going to pour it inside this. Strain it off. Right there and done. There it is. I'm gonna pour it out. I'm not gonna keep it like I'm cooking fresh ackees. It's from the can. It's the first time I'm cooking from the can, so I don't know what to expect. And I don't want to spoil my food. Because I feel so happy on the Sunday morning like me win the lottery. So yo, I'll keep the happy spirit. So you know what? We try. Come on. That nice, eh? I never expect this to taste so good. No, sir. I always want to buy Jamaican Ackee, but I always procrastinate to buy. But no, Jamaican Ackee is my best friend. Put that right there. While me, break these ones to smaller pieces. Alright? We now waste no time, you know, because right now I'm out to drink water for this. You know how you feel watching this through the screen, but may I tell you, my mouth I drink water for this. There's no better way to start the Sunday. Alright, first thing first. Wipe off the stove because that thing will boil over, and after you finish, you clean up this. It's a headache, you know. See, there's still left on some over there, so but that good, so now watch that. Some oil inside there. Now one thing I never remember to do. Garlic. Didn't prepare any garlic. So I'm gonna prepare that, come back. Pour the water on. Alright, so I have the garlic now. So now I just cut them fine. Cut these small. I like to put garlic in the pot like this. It gets hot with the oil. Authentic as the original garlic, so smell like, man, the aroma from the garlic is very nice. Look at this, see it there? Champagne soda, D&G, never disappoint. And we hope this somebody tastes like some sugar and water, you know, because my man with Bex, you know. I mean, with Bex, man. This hot, you know. This is super hot, but man, we need them. Put them the rest. So we'll go on there, so spin up this 2 times. Which time I short of our gone. Alright. Time for these now. Whoa, 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 whoa. Easy, man. Awesome. Rub the Ackee in salt. Turn the stove down. Don't want too much to get it out. Okay. Yep. Add a little bit of this before me and the saltfish. Get a little bit flavor in the ackee. Gonna cover it for a bit. Turn off this. This is good now. Here now. Oh yes, that's what I'm talking about. Yeah. Be careful. Don't jump off. I know you're excited as I am, but cool your jets. Add the saltfish. Inside. Get a little stir. And there. Salt with some black pepper. Man, you can just smell that. That is amazing. Think it's amazing yet? It's gonna be phenomenal when it's on my plate. Put me on pot of my pot, you know. Can't put me on inside, right? There's enough time for some people cook. Half when nobody now look, you'll be surprised. Oh, look at that. Isn't that a work of art? Put this over there. That right there. Ship is docked.
Yeah.
Yep. What's the man? It's saltfish this time. Okay. Once you say it's delicious, then I pass. When the mystery say good, be good. If you say otherwise, everything goes south. Alright. Yeah, well, a lot of people say when them cook, them can't share, but guess what? I love share food. I know I not share it myself. Right? The Ackee and saltfish. One thing that's missing right now is some avocado, but guess what? In all things give thanks. So I'm grateful and I'm thankful, not complaining. What if I food me today and it's a belly full, yeah? Okay. Alright, there you have it. Ackee and saltfish. See it there? See it there? Top it off with my D&G soda. You can talk to me. Today I have to call me Mister. I'm going to do my food. Let's go inside. Show off and pop glass. Look at that. Ooh. Man, it's not really strong like before, you know. You know, not taste soda before them day and just go I go but now, you have to not bad. But guess what? Can't cook and taste the food. When the phone time expire, I'm finish it and then can go outside. Then I can go outside. Alright. Only thing you should be looking at is this. Want to try it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna give it to you hot. Look at that. Ackee and saltfish, dumpling, ram, and that's it. So good. Yeah, meat good too. Looks like this even. Look at that, man. The engine not too like any fly back there. Feel too big, but guess what? I'm a glass. So. No cut, no mash, no coffee, no that. That's all. Yeah, man. Cheers. Oh man, this not disappoint. Been a long time I had some nice ackee and saltfish. Here we are today. Anyways, thank you guys for watching. Please subscribe to the channel, like and share. Until next time. Sorry I can't share it with you physically, I can only share it with you visually. But until next time.